And we got some handset tools I'll be using to get in there and work, and a curved scoop chisel as well. Big thanks out to Thak Ironworks for his original tutorials. I like to use the material in about a schnoog's worth hung over the anvil, bend it over, roll it back around on itself, smooth it all out to make the back of the head. Go ahead and use a guillotine or a fuller tool and squinch out the neck just under the back of the head bolt. With a round pointed punch, you're going to want to set them eyes a little low and closer than you think you want them. Then switch to a bigger one, driving in, up, out and about in all directions. Really swell it up good. You're going to want to start the nose kind of low. Drive it in, up, and kind of out to give it that bridge. You gotta work them cheeks and jawline all in and up in both directions. Get them looking all pushed up and in nicely with the handset. Curved chisel right around the eyes, and then you're gonna switch to the thinner handset, and then you're gonna move on to a big wide Wonko handset and just give that all lots of definition and put a divot in between the eyes to give it a meaner look. Curved chisel, frowny face. Clean it all up. I like to start with a round hammer so I can spread in all directions, get width as well before I flatten it. Now I gotta put that hole in that there. When you're making a bottle opener, remember to flip the material over and work from both sides, just due to the nature of the shape of the cone, mandrel, or the horn that you're using. I like to give myself plenty of material and push it out. That way it's nice and thick there where the lip is going to grab and open the bottle. Be careful, give it a few soft taps in the front to bring it into shape, and then it's just me here starting to tweak it and bend it around so I can get the final shape of the actual piece itself. Hey, thanks for watching, and remember, good times.